Welcome to the Carbonite Jedi, where the Force will be with you always. Did you know the final victory song, sung by the Ewoks at the end of Return of the Jedi, was written by the same guy who wrote Africa, Joseph Williams, lead singer of Toto, and son of legendary composer John Williams? In other surprising composition news, the new Cantina music featured in The Force Awakens was written by Lin-Manuel Miranda, the creator and original star of current Broadway smash hit Hamilton. Did you know?